Good morning, students of plus 2. Yesterday you must have studied the questions I told you: polyembryony, pollen-pistil interaction, incompatibility, parthenogenesis, and parthenocarpy. The today's questions are very interesting about seed. Seeds are of two types, monocot and dicot. And seed is a very interesting thing in the biology. It is a fertilized ovule. Seed is fertilized ovule and ovary is fruit, and seeds and ovules are the seed. It is embryonic plant. It has reserved food, protective covering, and embryonic plant. Sorry. All the seed present in the grocery shop, whole grains, are living, but they are sleeping condition. Sleeping condition of the seed is called dormancy. All the enzymes, all the metabolic activities of the seed or miniature plant are suspended. The cells in the seed are suspended. They are living DNA. In the seed there is a living DNA, and when the proper conditions of life, they get proper nourishment. When we sow seed in the soil, the hormones and the enzymes become active, and it grows into a future generation. Seed has future generation in it, and embryo in the seed is miniature plant. When the seeds are grown in the soil, they grow into future future plant. Similarly, the egg has in animals is a future organism. We are all formed by the single cell egg, fertilized egg. The seed has miniature root and miniature shoot, radicle and plumule. And if the seed has endosperm for the food of the development of the seed, these are endospermic plants. If the seed has no endosperm, they are non-endospermic. Other term is albuminous and ex-albuminous. So we have to study two types of seeds: monocot and dicot. Monocot seeds are maize, rice and wheat. And dicot, all the bean and pulses we take, they are dicot. Dicot seeds are in pod. Pod is the covering, pod is the fruit. Mind it, every plant, ovary of every plant result in the fruit. Pods are fruit, but in the pod there are pulses, there are beans, they are fruit, they are seed. Pod is the fruit, and the seeds, the ovules are the seed. Ovules are the seed. So dicot, I have made the dicot and monocot diagram you are having in your book. This is the dicot seed. Dicot seed of bean. It has radicle and plumule. Radicle is future root, plumule is future shoot, and the cotyledon for the development of the plant when the seed grows in the soil. And very interesting, the maize seed, the corn cob, challi we say. Corn cob is the fruit. It has many seeds. The corn and the popcorn you eat, the thread-like structures in the corn cob is the stigma. Many stigma are there, and the monocot seed is of a maize. I have made the diagram of the maize seed for you. The maize seed is like this. The maize seed, this is endosperm, I tell you. This is endosperm, and this is cotyledon. Scutellum is cotyledon, this is endosperm, radicle, plumule, and radicle is covered by rhiza, plumule is covered by coleoptile, and the seed has a pericarp, seed coat, and when we sow it, the pericarp bursts, it grows into plant, and plant grows flowers make fruits, and fruits make seed. Seed is the future generation, and the seed has DNA. It shows its respiration and metabolism is suspended, and when that is called dormancy, sleeping period. So you make the diagram at your home. monocot and dicot seed from the book dicot monocot seed, dicot seed. You make the ovule, development of the ovule at your home. This is the mature ovule and cell, embryo sac, the 8th cell of the embryo sac. You all diagram you make, because biology is the study of the diagram. In the exam you make diagram and write according to the diagram. See you next day. We will study about fruit, very interesting topic. I request you to study at home. Don't waste time. Time is money. And this is the tomorrow. I think the second lesson will be finished. The day after tomorrow we will start third lesson. Very interesting, human reproduction. God bless.